And this is low-key gonna be the first like tutorial that I put on my channel. Okay, hello everybody. I look so good. I look so good. You could never. Anyway, hi. Today is Thursday, June 6th. Today I'm going to be doing an orange and white cut crease. I don't really know. It's so basic to say that, but like that's basically what it's going to be. I'm going to be using some palette that I found on the street. Don't know who it's by. Couldn't tell yet. But yeah. I also used an M330 to highlight today. Except for obviously you just saw me using that brush. But like it's really good for nose highlighting and also just like applying it. Like look at this. Applying it very gently. It's just like in a little part of the face. It just looks really good for that. I don't know what it's supposed to be used for because it's not a good eye brush. So I guess it's my new highlighting brush. So yeah. So first off, I'm going to take an orange. What shape do I want to do? I'm trying to decide what shape I want to do. So let's just start in the middle. This is not the middle, this is the inner corner, but you know. You know when your mirror has just like a little bit of dust on it and it like ruins the whole look? And then you clear that little bit of dust off and then your mirror works perfectly again? I'm experiencing that. My hair's itching me. My hair looks so good today, so I'm really excited about that because I need a haircut so bad. I'm gonna take a clean brush that's not very clean and just fluff that. I don't know if I already said this, but I did my base off camera. I used Maybelline Dewy and Smooth. Well, first of all, I used sunscreen as primer. I don't know if that's wise, but I did it so it wouldn't grab on that spot, and it's not grabbing on that spot. Or well, the other way around, because I have this spot that doesn't take makeup very well. And I used sunscreen today, and I was like, maybe since I don't have a real primer, I should just try that just to see. And it worked pretty well. It's adhering to that spot pretty well. So yeah, I'm gonna take it up into my brow bone. And I discovered recently that my halo eyes, for some reason, I always take them down like pretty low. But that's not even a halo eye. I learned recently that a halo eye is like this thing right here, and then adding underneath. So I just add too much space underneath the lid. So I'm gonna, in my next time, I'll fix that. And somebody accused me of face tuning my pictures the other day. I don't, so. No, literally, I actually don't face tune my pictures, because I don't know how, so you know, that kind of prohibits me from doing that. I'm going into like a peachy red shade. And this is low-key gonna be the first like tutorial that I put on my channel. And so I'm excited to be replacing a fallen beauty guru. I'm gonna go into my M514, which has product on it, and go into that peachy red shade. Like here. See, this is the orange, this is the peachy red. and then tuck that into my crease. Just for definition and deepening. And just so you know, this video goes out to my mom, because orange is her favorite color. Now I'm going to go back into that orange and soften the edges. Man, I'm sorry, but Jeffree Star missed a lot of opportunities. He could have made for the, I believe it was last year, the Orange Summer Collection, the Thirsty Collection. Should have made an orange highlighter. For the Blood Sugar Collection, he should have made a red highlighter. And for the Blue Blood Collection, he should have made a royal blue highlighter. I know he already has Deep Freeze, because I have Deep Freeze, but he should have made a royal blue one. And like he should be making skin frosts for every collection. It's just tea, sis. You know what I mean? It's just aggravating. I mean, it's not really aggravating. It's like literally it's makeup. I'm fine, but taking that same brush with the M514 with the same peachy red color and packing that inside my inner corner, so that way when I cut the crease, it's not as apparent. I'm gonna use an M510 to brush the fallout away. This brush is horrible for highlighting, and so is, these brushes are horrible for highlighting. M510 and M501. They don't do anything. I hate them. And I hate that I bought them on Beauty Guru recommendations when they don't even work. So cancel. And fluffing that orange one last time over top of everything, just so I look extra skinny. So now what I'm going to do is get my concealer brush. I'm gonna go into the LA Pro Concealer because it's lighter than my Shape Tape. Ooh. And I ooh. And I ooh. I just put the excess in my Tarte Shape Tape because literally why not? So just go into that. I'm going to go into a different concealer brush. Concealer. And I know I just said I wasn't going to use Tarte Shape Tape, but then I'm going to use it. Now I'm using it because it's my video and I can do what I want. I'm actually going to set that before it's too late. That brush is too big. I'm going to use the brush I used the other day with my white. That white wasn't working, so I'm going to put another white highlighter on top. The white eyeshadow did not work. It wasn't very white. So the person who created that shadow was kind of fake, but whatever. And now I'm going to do something that I haven't done in a while. Eyeliner. Why haven't I done eyeliner, you might ask? Because I am, how do I put this? Bad at eyeliner. So I'm also going to put a shadow on my bottom lash line because I forgot to do that. It's kind of weird seeing myself without a freaking halo eye on. You know what I mean? Well, you guys know what I mean. Because you guys are to see them all the time, but... Okay, I'm putting that white highlight on my nose was like, how do I put this? A bad idea. So, I'm not gonna do that again. I'm gonna dull it down with some powder. Leave your powder recommendations in the comments because Airspun, it's not working for me very well. So, you know, I'm gonna put some Blake eyeliner. Should I put black or white? I'm gonna put white. Ooh, maybe I might do like a natural makeup but with white eyebrows tutorial. That'll be kind of fun. Okay, I'm going into concentrate modes. I look like an alien. I love this. Take me to your leader, sister. I'm gonna do that lip thing that everyone hates that I do. I do intro. Ooh, wait. That would look so good. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. Oh, wait. No. No. Oh, I literally have orange lipstick. I'm so famous. It's a different tone. It's not the different. I meant to say it's not the same tone. Oh, eyeliner. I'm gonna use the black on the top. Should I? I think that's what maybe is making it look so weird. Ooh. Oh, that's skinny. Oh, that kind of changes the alien illusion, but now I'm gonna go over this liner from Elise. I'm gonna need to go on this close with this one. So. I'm gonna go in some Benefit Roller Lash mascara. Press and roll. Press and roll. My good friend, the arch expert at Ulta Beauty, told me that. Carissa Bentley, I'll leave her social media in the links below. If I had white mascara, I'd put it on the bottom. That would look so good. But... should I do a lash? Oh, of course. I should do a lash. I'm going to do my old favorites, Kiss in the style Brazier. I need to buy some new ones because these are crusty and disgusting. But, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to give these lashes a second to dry. Nothing else really needs done except the lip, but I don't know, I'll go put on a different shirt so I look good, and be right back. Okay, we're back. Nah. This looks so good currently, I don't even want to fix it. It's not dry yet, so try again. We'll try again. Huh. That looks so good. Are you kidding me? Let's do a lip application. I always do lashes by putting on the inner corner first, which is now dry, so I gotta try that again. I put the inner corner on first, and then I lay it down. So that way, So that way the inner corner is set for the day, typically. I almost just said I wish Jeffree Star would come out with glosses, but then I remembered that he literally just did. Okay, well, that looks so freaking good. This is very wearable. I could just wear this to work right now. Wow. I kind of did that. I mean, don't deny it. I might need a little bronzer on my chin, but I kind of went off. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned this June for more extensively fun videos. Have a great night and make sure you subscribe.